Do tech terms like RAM, CPU, cloud, and VPN sound confusing? Don't worry. In this video, we'll break down the most essential technology terms in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Whether you're new to tech or just want to keep up with the latest jargon, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First up, RAM, or Random Access Memory. Think of it as your computer's short-term memory. The more RAM you have, the faster your computer can multitask. So, if your device slows down when running multiple apps, you might need more RAM. Next is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit, the brain of your computer. It processes everything you do, from opening a file to playing a game. The higher the gigahertz and the more cores it has, the faster your computer performs. A quad-core 3.5 GHz CPU is faster than a dual-core 2.0 GHz CPU. Ever wondered why some computers are faster than others? It might be the storage type. For faster performance, always go for an SSD. The cloud sounds like magic, but it's just a network of servers storing your files online instead of on your device. Services like Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox allow you to access your files anywhere, anytime. Ever heard of a VPN, or Virtual Private Network? It's a tool that hides your IP address and encrypts your data, keeping your online activities private and secure, especially when using public Wi-Fi. You've probably heard about 5G, but what makes it different? This means faster downloads, lower lag in gaming, and better streaming. AI, or artificial intelligence, is technology that allows machines to think and learn like humans. It powers things like voice assistants, Alexa, Siri, self-driving cars, and ChatGPT. AI is changing the world, and it's just getting started. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions computers follow to make decisions. They determine which videos appear on your YouTube feed, how Google ranks websites, and even how social media shows you ads. And that's it! Now you understand some of the most important tech terms. Which tech term do you want us to explain next? Drop a comment below.